Today, we're going to talk about something that confuses so many people who have loved, dated, or grown up around narcissists. Why genuine emotional connection seems impossible with them. And by the end of this video, you'll understand the psychological and emotional reasons behind that invisible wall that you feel when you're trying to connect, and what it really says about them and not about you. My name's Brandon. I help people heal from narcissistic abuse and emotional trauma by helping them understand the patterns behind the behaviour. If you've ever felt unseen, unheard, or emotionally starved in a relationship, then this video will make sense of why. So, let's get into it. The echo chamber of self. At the heart of every narcissist is an emotional echo chamber. Everything they say, do, or feel bounces back to them. They live in a constant loop where other people only exist as mirrors, not as independent human beings with their own emotions, needs, and stories. A narcissist cannot connect emotionally because connection requires curiosity, the ability to wonder what someone else might be feeling. And for a narcissist, that curiosity doesn't exist. Their focus is always on how something reflects on them. Even in the moment that seems intimate, it's not about you, it's about how your emotions make them feel. Your sadness might make them feel powerful. Your love makes them feel admired. Your pain makes them feel important. But it's never truly about empathy. So, what is it about? The grand illusion of connection. In the early stages of a relationship, a narcissist can appear deeply connected. They study you, mirror you, and respond in ways that make you feel seen. But it's not genuine connection. It's imitation. They use what they learn about your emotions to create the illusion of closeness. You believe they understand you, but what they're really doing is collecting data to maintain control. The moment vulnerability enters the picture, the illusion cracks. When you need compassion, they disappear. When you ask for accountability, they attack. Because real connection requires equality, and equality threatens their fragile sense of superiority. They require validation over vulnerability. Narcissists crave validation, not vulnerability. Validation gives them energy. Vulnerability draws from it. They can perform emotions, tears, charm, even guilt, but only if it serves a purpose. Underneath it all, they feel disconnected from their own emotional world. Many grew up without secure attachment, so they build false self. They build a mask that protects them from shame or whatever problems they're dealing with. The problem is that that mask also blocks intimacy. They can't truly connect with others because they can't truly connect with themselves. So what does this mean? The cost of loving a narcissist. If you've been in a relationship with one, you'll probably feel it. That hollow ache of being next to someone who feels emotionally miles away. You might blame yourself for not being enough, but the truth is, no amount of love can fill an emotional void that was never yours to fix. They are chasing admiration, not affection. Attention, not understanding. Control, not closeness. And you can't build connection on that foundation. So, what does all this mean? And what can you take from this? That connection is not something you have to beg for or to prove that you deserve. It's something that should flow naturally between two people who are both emotionally available. When someone cannot meet you there, it's not a reflection of your worth. It's evidence of their limitations. True connection requires self-awareness. It requires empathy and openness. These are qualities narcissists lack. They're the same qualities you can rebuild in yourself as you start to heal. Because the real victory isn't getting a narcissist to connect. It's learning to connect deeply with yourself again. The version of you that still believes in love, empathy, and genuine human connection. If you found this helpful, I would really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. I'll be making more videos like this that will help you in the future.